In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate text in Canva. If you've ever tried turning a Canva design into another language by copying and pasting text manually, you already know how messy that can get. Text boxes shift, layouts break, and what should be a quick update suddenly takes much longer than expected. The good news is that Canva includes a built-in translation tool that can help you translate your content while keeping your design much more organized. To begin, open Canva and go to your home dashboard. From there, find the design you want to work on. This could be a presentation, flyer, brochure, social media graphic, or any other project that contains text. Click on the design to open it in the Canva editor so you can access the full workspace and make changes directly. Once your project is open, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Canva keeps many of its tools and features. Scroll down through the menu until you find the section labeled Apps, then click it. This opens Canva's app panel, where you can access additional built-in tools that expand what your design can do. At the top of that panel, you'll see a search bar. Type in Translate and press Enter. In the search results, look for the Translate tool and click on it to open the translation settings. This is the tool Canva uses to convert your design text into another language without requiring you to leave the platform. Now that the Translate panel is open, go to the field labeled Translate to. Click the drop-down menu and choose the language you want your text translated into. Canva offers a wide range of languages, so just select the one that fits your audience or project needs. Next, decide which pages you want to translate. Use the Select Pages drop-down to choose whether you want to translate the entire design or only specific pages. This is especially useful if you're working with a multi-page project and only need part of it translated. Also, make sure the option called Translate on a new page is checked. This is an important setting because it keeps your original version untouched and places the translated version on a separate duplicated page. After that, go to the bottom of the panel and click the Translate button. Canva will process the text and generate the translated version for you. Once it appears, take a moment to review the layout and make sure everything still looks clean and aligned, since some languages can take up more or less space than English. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right, click Share, then Download. Choose your preferred file type, such as PNG or PDF, and then click Download to save your translated design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.